is the plaza. Indang Cavite Plaza. Tapos, anong ano to, honey? Anong, you say it?
San Miguel.
San Miguel. So, ito yung Indang Transport Terminal. This is yung mall nila. That's their mall.
This is Barangay Tres. Barangay Tres. Terminal ng mga tricycles and jeeps. Right on the side. These are the stores on the left and right side, both sides actually. There's parking at the right side. There's none of that.
Ay, kapapark lang ng truck, sayang. Kaya pero ruta ka na, honey.
No, ibababa ko yung box.